Every job needs a lifeguard, and ours was keeping a close eye on us from poolside. While he watched from a safe distance, we had a pool with a tile problem around the drain, and the repair needed to be done without draining the pool. Luckily, we had been recommended by a neighbour. After an inspection and a clean underneath, you can see just how many tiles had come loose. Water had already got behind the tiles where some were missing, and it's actually a pretty common problem. Luke removed the loose tiles, cleaned the surface thoroughly and got to work, sealing the area using our specialist underwater cement. As you can see, Luke carefully places each tile back into position, cutting them to shape where needed and sealing everything with the cement. The cement bonds directly underwater, making the area solid and watertight again, ready for a Spanish summer. And here's the finished result. Better than new if we do say so ourselves, and a very happy client too. Our cement sets in around 12 hours, so the pool can be cleaned as usual the next day. The clients could even swim straight away, as long as they avoided the repaired area. Our lifeguard clearly decided the job was under control, and went off for a well-earned nap while we packed up and headed to the next job. Deep6 Underwater Pool Repairs has 2 teams covering all regions from Valencia down to Gibraltar. If you have a pool that needs some TLC, go to our website in our bio and get in touch so we can see how we can help you.